Let's talk about migrating emails. If you're lucky, the platform that you're offboarding or your prior email experience was built using HTML driven emails. Those are the easiest to migrate because HTML driven emails are universal. You go into one platform, call it customer IO, you can copy your HTML email, and you can jump to another platform, call it Iterable, and you can paste your HTML email, and you're done. The only thing that you have to adjust is you have to convert your merge tags from liquid for customer IO to handlebars for iterable. Now, moving beyond that, you may want to restructure in general, you may want to improve your emails. I recommend taking a migrate first, then fix up approach. However, if time is not of the essence, you can migrate and fix at the same time your emails. What I If you're in another boat and your emails are all drag and drop based, so you've used the built-in make it easy to write emails program that's coming with your offboarding software, you have two choices. One, you can often export those emails directly to code, and then you can kind of copy them, paste them into the new platform. However, note they'll be unmaintainable, right? It's challenging in its own right to program HTML driven emails, and it's kind of even more challenging to reprogram machine coded HTML emails that have been built by a drag and drop builder. But we can do it fast, and what I recommend doing is replicate the content that you have in the offboarding platform in Iterable and focus entirely on the logic that drives the emails, because that's what really changes. That's the only thing that makes one email platform different than another email platform, is the logic that drives the email itself.